It's a busy week of Fed speak. We have pro trader Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives with us. Tim, what do traders expect to hear from Jay Powell, or what do they want to hear?
I think probably more of the same, where they'll be trying to, continue to kind of, straddle the fence, right? Talk a little bit hawkish, but give some dovish hope out there. We're certainly seeing the market up until recently play more the dovish side here, that the Fed, it may be more than just a skip, and it may turn into a pause. Certainly the market pricing is still about 2 more rate hikes by the end of the year. So that could be really the key going forward here for the markets. Will they stick with those 2 rate hikes, or will they start to temper their outlook and perhaps turn a little more dovish on the Fed as well and continue this rally? If not, I think we'll see a pullback. Stocks have had a heck of a run off the lows here, so they're probably due for a little bit of profit taking over the next several weeks.
What's your trade of the day?
Yeah, looking at PayPal, PYPL, which has seen just big repeat call buying out in the June 30th expiration out of the money calls, especially the 37 calls. They have bought thousands of these day after day here. Implied volatility has lifted as well. Stock is up a little bit, but the calls are actually up more than the stock here. Implied volatility now at the highest we've seen in a while. So I'm jumping in, buying the stock, selling these very expensive calls, follow that bullish call buying, but capture some overpayment on these very expensive now call options to hedge my downside.
In general, do you like PayPal as a stock?
Overall, I'm probably getting a little more bearish than bullish just from prices here, Angie, especially on these, mega cap NASDAQ names that have led the charge. So we've talked about it, I think. Apple and Microsoft getting pricey, but the rest of the market actually not all that expensive. So I think a rotation out of those big names into some of the smaller names is the way I'm going to play it for the next several months over the summer.
Thank you so much, Tim.
You bet. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.